Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing some more October boxes. I think I have one more coming and I'll just open that in my November boxes. But let's go ahead and see what we got in these ones. The first one we got right here is the Petit Vour. I believe this one is $18 a month. I will have it on the screen to be sure. The products in this are always vegan and cruelty free. They usually give some deluxe sample sizes and usually 1 or 2 full size. So let's go ahead and see what they sent. Okay, so here's the card with this month's theme. I think that is really cute. On the back side, of course, is the items and the products with the prices and a little description. The first thing we got here is a cognac sponge, and this retails for $10. Says it's both biodegradable and compostable. This all natural cognac facial sponge gently cleanses and softens all skin types, including sensitive and newborn. Now this is not something I would really use. I don't know if it's good or not, but because I'm not really into this particular product, I will put this into my next big giveaway. Okay, the next thing we got here is Boxy. I don't know, I can't say this, but it's a booster, and it's a nighttime booster that stimulates collagen production and dramatically improves the texture of skin without irritating it. And that is what it looks like. I am probably gonna go ahead and just stick that in a giveaway. I have so many things like this, I just feel like this would be better for somebody else, so. Alright, the next thing we got here is 3 Ships Buttercream Hydrating Lip Mask, and this retails for $15. This is absolutely something I will use. This is nourishing and restorative lip mask, hydrates lips from within, while also providing a protective barrier to lock in moisture. So yep, definitely using. Alright, the next thing we got here is KVOSS Blushing Beauty Palette for $36. I'm not opening this one because I already have this, so this will also go in the next big giveaway. This one's mine. I'll show you what the colors look like. There you go. These are the colors. And I will go ahead and swatch my palette so you can see what they look like. I really enjoy this blush collection, so I really hope whoever gets this enjoys it as much as I do. Okay, next we have the KNDR Beauty box. I want to say this is $28 a month. I'm not really sure, but I will have that on the screen. The inside looks like this. Here is the card, the theme for the month, and of course the items on the other side with the prices and information about it. Okay, the first thing I got here is from Redmint. This is Goji Nourishing Facial Treatment Mask for $18. I do love my face masks, so this is definitely going to be used. It says this mask was designed by combining traditional Chinese medicine and modern skincare innovation to give your skin a timeless glow. Goji berries are the hero ingredient in this sheet mask, but it also contains red clover and a blend of nourishing vitamins. Okay, the next thing we got here is Folly Fire Astro Lip Gloss in Adrenaline Rush, and this retails for $18. It says it is enhanced with micro pearls and high-grade pigments and fortified with aloe, cocoa butter, and cucumber extract. This gorgeous gloss is sure to make your heart skip a beat. I love glasses, I love shiny, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, this looks pretty. Okay, so here is the color swatched. It's kind of an orange coral color, like a really deep one, more on the orangey red side. It's still kind of coral at the same time. I do like it. I don't really have any other opinions on it right now, but I do think it's pretty. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Nourish Travel Size Soap Bar for $6. This is from Switch to Pure. says it's nature's best powerhouse ingredient packed into this fetching, richly hued bar. Think coconut rosehip oils for moisturizing, yaba oil, and bentonite clay for detoxification. So this is what it looks like. This does smell really good and really refreshing. However, I have a stack of soaps that I am using right now, so this I am also sticking into the next big giveaway. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Andalou Naturals Sunflower and Citrus Brilliant Shine Styling Gel. This is styling gel, but this is shower gel. So I'm unclear if this is $2.99 or not, but it does say shower gel on here, and I'm not going to read what it actually says on here because that won't really make sense since this says styling gel and this says shower gel. So anyways, I'm going to stick that into the next big giveaway. Okay, so the next thing we got here and last thing in this box is Sahara Rose Divine Beauty Serum. This here retails for $48. This serum contains a blend of pomegranate seed and prickly pear seed oil to hydrate dry skin, plus notes of lavender, bergamot, rosemary, and geranium oils to uplift your mood for a great start to the day. Now, I absolutely love my face oils, and I definitely will be using this. That is what the bottle looks like. Alright, last box, Boxy Charm. This, of course, is a $25 a month box. I always get the base box. I get so many boxes that I don't really feel like I need to get any others of theirs, but anyways, this is what the inside looks like. This, of course, is the card with the theme and the items on the back of it, of course, with the price and a brief description. Alright, the first thing I got here is KNDR Beauty Overnight Lip Mask. You already know I love my lip mask. This retails for $20. Says a lip mask that helps repair, hydrate, and nurture lips all day long. Enriched with avocado and evening primrose oil for soft, supple lips. Okay, let's see what the container looks like. Okay, so there is the container. Pretty big looking, but when you turn it to the side, you don't see product. I don't like when they do that. I find that very misleading, but you know what? I'm still gonna use it. Still gonna give it a try and see how it works. Okay, the next thing we got is Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes. Simplify, oh, actually, this is $20, look at that. These are pretty big. I like the fact that they're big. I don't know if that's really worth $20. But I do like the fact that they're huge. But anyways, it says, simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe cloth across skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. And it's 100% biodegradable. Now I am here for the biodegradable part. I think that's amazing. Okay, so next we got Laura Geller Speckle Skin Perfecting Primer Hydrate, and this here retails for $32. This says, farewell dry flaky skin, quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer, and save time on your beauty regimen, featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and antioxidant botanical ingredients. This nourishing formula brightens and replenishes skin for a healthier complexion. Create a smooth canvas for improved foundation wear and keep your face feeling fresh all day. Okay, so this obviously is basically a moisturizer. You can never have too much moisturizer. That will keep the age from coming in on your face. So next item we got, this is Malin and Gotez. I'm sure I'm saying that completely wrong. Resurfacing face serum. And this retails for $70. This is a 3-in-1 gel serum. Synthesizes AHAs and vitamin C to help smooth, clarify, and brighten skin. Formulated with potent ingredients that work together to deliver numerous benefits in just one step. This multitasker is the perfect addition to an uncomplicated regimen for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Which I do have sensitive skin, so I'm good with that. I have used some of their face oils before. In fact, I'm using one of their face oils right now, and I absolutely love how it does on my skin. I've actually repurchased it more than once. But I have not used the resurfacing face serum, so I'm kind of excited to see how this does. This is the bottle. And yeah, that's pretty much all I can say about that. So there is one last item to look at, and let's go ahead and see it. Okay, the last item we got here is the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette, and that is what it looks like. It retails for $38. It says it's so creamy you don't need butter. You'll be all the sugar after that you milk that glow with these silky, smooth, highly pigmented highlighters. These 4 versatile, long-lasting colors blend seamlessly and apply evenly. Grab your bakeware and strobe, mix, or layer in abundance. Okay, so that is the palette without the cover. And let's see. These are really, really pretty. I'm keeping. I am going to go ahead and swatch these so we can see what they look like. Okay, so these are the highlights. Now they did swatch super creamy and just, they really felt great to the touch. Not sure how well they were yet, but they felt great, and I'm excited to try this. But that is it of my beauty boxes. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like this video. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think of these boxes and items down below. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.